Imagine waking up taller just because it's hot out. That's what happens to the Eiffel Tower every summer. Here's the science. The Eiffel Tower is made of iron, and when metal heats up, it expands. So, when Paris basks in the summer sun, the tower's metal structure soaks up all that heat. As a result, the entire tower can grow by up to 15 centimeters, or about 6 inches. That's almost the height of a soda can, just from a warm day. It might not sound like much, but for a structure that's over 1,000 feet tall, that's some serious stretching. And don't worry, when temperatures drop, the metal contracts, and the Eiffel Tower shrinks back down to its usual size. So next time you see a photo of the Eiffel Tower in summer, remember, it might be just a little bit taller than you think.